Subscribe to my channel Coco TV 3R and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. A is for apple. Apple. Apple.
B is for bag. Bag. Bag.
C is for camel. Camel. Camel.
D is for doll. Doll. Doll.
E is for eagle. Eagle. Eagle.
F is for fig. Fig. Fig.
G is for goat. Goat. Goat.
H is for hen. Hen. Hen.
I is for iguana. Iguana. Iguana.
J is for juice. Juice. Juice.
K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
L is for log. Log. Log.
M is for monkey. Monkey. Monkey.
N is for nest. Nest. Nest.
O is for owl. Owl. Owl.
P is for penguin. Penguin. Penguin.
Q is for Quran. Quran. Quran.
R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit.
S is for sun. Sun.
T is for tub. Tub.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella.
V is for violin. Violin.
W is for whale. Whale.
X is for Xmas. Xmas tree.
Y is for yacht. Yacht.
Z is for zebra. Zebra.